Hello everyone, myself Sanjina Aryal from class 8C and today I am here to tell something about chemical engineering and chemical engineers. So let's begin with the introduction. Basically, chemical engineering is a branch of engineering that uses principles of chemistry, physics, biology, mathematics, and economics to efficiently use, produce, design, transport, and transform energy and materials. Chemical engineering is related to manipulation of atoms and molecules of matters. Chemical engineering deals with chemical production and the manufacture of products through chemical processes. Similarly, a chemical engineer is a professional in engineering who has a specialization in manipulating atomic or molecular energy. Chemical engineers are basically involved in the field of energy and computing. Chemical engineers apply the principles of chemistry, physics, biology, and math to solve problems that involve the use of fuel, drugs, food, and many other products. Chemical engineers mostly work on offices or laboratories. They may spend time at industrial plants, refineries, and other locations where they monitor or direct operations or solve on site problems. Nearly all chemical engineers work full time. Here we can see the pictures of some chemical engineers working in their own laboratories. Chemical engineering is a discipline influencing numerous areas of technology. This includes designing equipment, systems, and processes for refining raw materials and for mixing, compounding, and processing chemicals to make valuable products. In broad terms, chemical engineers conceive and design processes to produce, transform, and transport materials, beginning with experimentation in the laboratory, followed by implementation of the technology in full-scale production. Nowadays, chemical engineers are in great demand because of the large number of industries that depend on the synthesis and processing of chemicals and materials. In addition to traditional careers in the chemical, energy, and oil industries, chemical engineers enjoy increasing opportunities in biotechnology, pharmaceuticals, electronic device fabrication, and environmental engineering. The unique training of the chemical engineer becomes essential in these areas when the processes involve the physical or chemical transformation of matters. For example, the chemical engineers working in the chemical industry investigate the creation of new polymeric materials with important electrical, optical, or mechanical properties. This requires attention not only to the synthesis of the polymer but also to the flow and forming processes necessary to create a final product. In biotechnology, chemical engineers help design production facilities that use microorganisms and enzymes to synthesize new drugs. Problems in environmental engineering that engage the chemical engineer include the development of processes to minimize the release of or deactivate products harmful to the environment. To do these jobs, the chemical engineer must have a complete and quantitative understanding of both the engineering and the scientific processes and the scientific principles underlying these technological processes. This is reflected in the curriculum of the chemical engineering department, which includes the study of applied mathematics, energy and material balances, thermodynamics, fluid mechanics, energy and mass transfer, separation technology, chemical reaction kinetics and reactor design, and process design. These courses are built on a foundation in the sciences of physics, chemistry, and biology. Nowadays, as the demand of chemical engineering and chemical engineer are increasing day by day, it plays a vital role in developmental works and advancement of modern life of the people. Thank you.